Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know a lot of people are using Photoshop and sometimes have issues with the brush tool being laggy. So for example, if you're trying to draw something and it's dragging like this, so it's laggy, the simple solution is you need to lower your smoothness. So you've probably accidentally pressed a key and adjusted this here. If it's set to 100%, it will be laggy, as you can see. However, you can adjust this down to a lower amount, so 0, and you reduce the lag almost entirely. Obviously it does roughen the edge a little bit, but I don't think it's that noticeable, to be honest. So that's 0%, that's 100%, not really that noticeable. Depending on your PC, obviously the more powerful it is, the less lag you'll notice with smoothing. So that is a factor as well. But otherwise, yeah, if you got lag, just drop that back down to a smaller amount. I find anything under 10% works pretty well. And that wraps up another guide. Hope you found that useful. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.